Here we are enjoying the lovely bike trail right alongside the river in Pittsburgh. We've got our 3 boys and Daddy. And there's Miss Elizabeth. There. Say hi, Dad. Alright, we'll check back with you. We're going to go over the bridge. Here we are, waving over Hot Metal Bridge. Elizabeth, taking it all in. Alright, you guys ready to go?
You guys ready? You will get a drink on the other side of the bridge.
Alright, go on.
Go!
Oh no, we got a man down. Alright, we'll catch you at the end of the sec. Alright, we're back up and running.